Welcome. New to Rhino? Mastering it can be tough. So, if you're tired of wasting precious time and want to take your Rhino skills to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Number 1. Zoom selected. When working on a detailed Rhino 3D model, it can be tough to control your view, especially if you're new. The best way to control your view in a complicated and detailed scene is by using the Zoom Selected command. Simply type ZS and press the spacebar. These keys conveniently sit next to each other on your keyboard. So, get your left hand ready to press them whenever you need to zoom in on something specific in your Rhino 3D model. Number 2. Zero Enter. Ever had those "where am I" moments while working? Yep, we've all been there. The best way is to move the object to the center of the grid. With the Move command, get a snap of an object. Type 0 and press Enter. Boom! You've got a one-stop center point. Number 3. Alias. Do you want to create your own shortcut commands? Or are you used to using E and space to delete an object in AutoCAD? Just click on the gear icon to open the settings, then go to the Alias tab. Click New and type the letter you want to use as the shortcut. Type an exclamation mark and an underscore, then enter the command you want to associate with that letter. In my case it's delete. Now type E and press space. Boom! Number 4. Last created object. This command is especially useful when working on large-scale projects and modeling specific parts. It helps you regain control of the camera and return to that specific location effortlessly. Go to the selection panel and select this icon. Now just press ZS space. Number 5. Right-click on Snap. Sometimes it can be challenging and frustrating to snap to a specific point you want. For example, here I want to snap to the quad point of this circle. By the way, center snap in Rhino is a big pain in the You can right-click on the snap you desire to temporarily turn off other snaps. But don't forget to right-click on that specific snap to revert to the previous state. Number 6. Filters. This one's my favorite. Say you've got under-cabinet lighting, and you want to adjust its intensity. It can be a bit tricky to select it with one click. But the best way to select it is by using filters. Click the filter icon down below. It will add a new tab. Right-click the entity you want, in this case, lights. Now select the light with just one click. Number 7. Isolate. Imagine you want to place a light behind a shelf in a cluttered scene. Use the Isolate command by opening the lamp icon. This allows you to easily make modifications and additions. When done, simply right-click on the lamp icon to restore everything. Number 8. Subselect. Subselection is a key technique for object modification. Also, adding the gumball to the subselection is the foundation for becoming a professional 3D modeler in Rhino. At least in my opinion, it is. I am the way your son don't need. There are two ways to use subselection. First, hold Ctrl and Shift simultaneously to select. Second, open the Subselect tab below. Clearly, using Ctrl and Shift is the more convenient option. Now take a look at how easy it is to modify with this technique. Number 9. Isolate lock. In this scene, I need to extend the shelf and close the gap with subselection. First, I will show you the advanced technique. Hold Alt and click near the shelf, but not on it. Then hold the left click. Release Alt while holding the left click. And finally, hold Ctrl plus Shift and drag to create a rectangular subselection. But don't worry, there's an easier method called Isolate Lock. Select your object, go to the padlock icon, and open the tab. Choose Isolate Lock. And now you can freely select or subselect without accidentally selecting anything else. Number 10. Isolate with layers. As you can see, I have 5 cubes in 5 different layers. Using this technique, I can gain precise control when isolating objects. This feature proves invaluable for maintaining full control in projects with numerous details and layers. For instance, you can hide a layer, hide everything else in your scene, and then unhide the layer. Mastering this technique requires some dedicated training.